What the hell, bro? I don't know where we at right now, bro. We in a tunnel, taking us I don't know where, but going somewhere.
Look at this M2. That's so fire, bro.
You got an M2. This is actually sick.
Oh,
I like this one.
I like it too.
I like it a lot.
That's actually really nice.
Yeah, I like the blue and yellow.
Yeah.
Fire.
Listen, guys. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna be, bro. I'm gonna just be walking around recording cars, bro. My head is freaking killing me. We're just gonna be walking around showing you guys some cars. This is fire, though. I'm not gonna lie. There's hella cars here. There's so many cars. This is so big too. So, huh? The new M2? Is that what they said? I heard some shit, but I don't know.
It sounded like Amen.
Look at this right here, guys. BMW M3 F36. Now, whatever's going on in that raceway, bro, they're going crazy. Nah, they're going crazy, man.
It's gotta be a 340, right?
Yeah, most likely. 340,000, you mean? Definitely 340,000. Just by the sound of it. What is that? A Ferrari? What is that? A Ferrari? Yeah, that one's so clean. Oh, man. What the heck? Wait, is that song? Bro, I'm just walking around, bro. I don't know what's going on. You know what's going on, bro? Because I don't. I'm just walking around, recording nothing.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm recording.
Yo, I don't know, bro. This is what they like, bro. They like the random thing. He got the setup. Yo, hey, man, we slacking. We need that.
What is that?
I don't know. He got the setup, though. Don't talk about his camera, bro.
Oh.
Yo, what's this M4? Look at this rim. Shit's tough. That's nice, though. Hella nice BMWs over here, bro. What the heck? They even disappeared. Where'd they go? Oh, they're over there.
Not too bad.
So you going to
Yeah.
G80 M3?
Alright, well, I'll see you at your booth. Yeah.
They got my Ferrari, guys. You guys know, this is my favorite car.
Bro, my head is killing me, bro. We gotta go see that race at some point, so I wanna see the cars going crazy. But bro, there's so many cars, bro. I don't even, bro, it will take you a whole day to pretty much like look at every car, bro. There's mad cars here. But we just walking around right now. My head is killing me. I need some food. I think that's the problem. I think I need to eat something. Because if I don't eat, I think that's what's killing up my my brain, bro. My brain hurt. No cap.
More cars, mad cars. What the heck? Look at this yellow. Whoa. This is.
You're still making moves, dude. It's just an upload, dude. You're putting in that work.
I like the bottle. I like that.
No, that's my pee bottle.
That's right from the driver's seat, right?
No, that's me.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, you got the right angle.
We put
Yeah,
the
it is.
car-
It is.
You got the right angle.
That's on there because this got assembled at 6 a.m. today. And then we just drove it straight out of the shop. We're in South Amboy, New Jersey. Beamer Clinic and Maximum PSI. This one will be fast. I don't know how far we're gonna push it today. I haven't even, this is literally brand new, like 0 mile trans, except for what we drove here. Brand new motor, fresh port job. Like I literally slapped this motor and the yellow car's motor like back to back over the weekend, and then just slammed these together.
Sounds like you had a busy weekend.
It was hell. They literally the worst since 2007.
Oh my
The
God.
worst.
Good car, man. What is that, Ferrari?
Oh, you're right. I just don't know how to speak English. I just be saying the random stuff. Well, look at this, y'all. This is fire too.
Just get afterwards. It feels
That is
that common big size.
That's so
No.
It's like half a hood. He got a convertible hood.
Closed. It kind of looks
No, that's just fire though. The interior is. Man, there's mad cars, bro. I don't even know what I'm recording, bro. We just here. What you say?
Bro, I don't know if that's BRG, but it's that's the same front lip that I have.
Yeah, it is.
See, my brother's stupid.
Oh, yo. Look at Eamon's best friend over there. Eamon's best friend. Look at those chairs. Eamon, run away, Eamon. You gotta run. You gotta go.
Actually, yeah.
Yo, that's too funny.
I feel bad. Like I was actually. It was the first interaction was good. should have ended there.
That's the one he was talking about.
This is sick. That see, this is on the other one he didn't do this.
Wow.
But on this one, he did this blue, like this piece down here.
That wasn't black too, right?
Yeah, it was in black too. That's why I was like, it kind of looked off on the other car. This just looks better to me. I don't know.
Yo, listen, guys. This shit is so big, bro. I'm tired already, bro. My feet hurt. I feel like I need a little scooter to move around here, bro. A little scooter, bro, right?
Yeah, can I join you on it?
Yeah, but we can. I should have brought my little electric one. I thought I had one. A little
You
electric.
actually?
Yeah, a little electric one. X3M, look.
Oh. We've seen this one before.
That's you, right?
Bro, no, not. We saw it in another show.
Oh, okay.
This thing is sick, dude. Legit. Like, I want one. All jokes aside, if I could get one, I'd get one tomorrow. And I'm not saying if I could, like I could.
Yeah.
But you know, same reason
rich,
I can't go to
guys.
Beamer Girls, I can't get an X3M. So
Hit up.
It's
hit
alright.
up- Hit up Eamon for personal loans.
personal loans. What does that have to do with the X3M?
Look at this M340. Got the forged carbon.
I'm not gonna lie, Sticks.
What
I actually
happened?
don't like the matte black, but I do like the forged carbon.
I'm the opposite. I like
On
the
the
matte
matte
black. I don't like the forged carbon.
Really?
Yep.
Dang, bro.
Okay. I don't know why.
We ain't friends anymore. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. Actually,
It is different though. I like
it. It looks cool because like the matte black is sort of like plain, you know, and then you have like the pop of the forged carbon. I don't know. I actually kind of like it.
Yeah, it's different. Yeah, bro, you mad cool.
It is nice.
Whoa.
It has like the same screen.
Oh, that's like the same screen you have.
Yeah, my G80. Yeah, this one. I think it's all. Is it hybrid or all electric?
You asking me if it's hybrid or all that?
You know everything, Sticks. Come on,
Me?
bro. She just said it's a hybrid.
Hybrid.
It's hybrid. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Come on, bro. How you don't know this? Oh, look at this, guys.
Oh, yeah, that part.
Looks so nice.
That's probably.
Look at the spoiler too. Look at the spoiler.
That way.
It's an X4M right here. XO. Whole bunch of cars.
I want a Supra.
A Supra, the one
Yeah.
right there. Let's just take it.
I want to
grab
get
it.
rid of the 330 and just get a Supra. I want
Hey,
everything.
Like I
I just
said,
want all of them. I can't
like-
afford any of them though.
Like I said, you need a personal loan. Amen. 5% interest.
I need the loan.
Yeah.
5% interest.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give a better loan, a better rate than the bank.
I hear that. That shit crazy.
You got custom license.
Yeah.
You do, right?
This is
Manual.
sticks.
I can do the custom license.
I got sticks all over the place, bro. It's cheap too. It's like $30.
Royal. Oh, let's go. Actually,
What?
that's a Turbo S.
Yeah.
Like that's like top of the line.
Yeah, that's so nice. Yo, you a firefighter, bro. Man, I need to be a firefighter
Yo,
then.
check this out. So you see this great color?
Bro, we just walking around like this.
You see this color here? What do you guys think of it?
The what?
The color? Oh yeah, this color. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so? All right.
It's
well,
alright.
This is called oxide gray, if I'm right. I'm probably wrong.
You know too much, bro.
Yeah, well,
What the
because
heck?
this color they offered on the earlier models of the G80s. So when I was ordering mine, they no longer offered it.
Bro, there's so
It's like the weirdest thing.
Bro, there's so many cars, bro. I don't even know where to look, bro, or what to record at this point.
Yeah, I don't
There's
know.
so many cars. It's everywhere, bro.
Is this the purple you're gonna get?
This one, this one, yeah.
It suits me, huh?
That's a purple you like, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Nice.
Maybe pink interior.
Yeah.
It's- it is cool. I'm not gonna lie, it is cool, but not something I would do. It's not actually.
I've never seen this car, y'all. What car is this, bro? You know your cars too, bro? What car is that?
This is the 1 Series, I think, or the old 8 Series. I don't remember.
This has Amen. Amen.
Yo,
What car is that, bro?
it's I'm guessing it's probably like an 850. It's old school 8 Series. Yeah.
That's so cool, though.
So they had a V12 set up. I believe if I get that wrong,
Somebody flaming your ass.
yeah, someone's gonna flame me. But yeah.
Yeah. Look how aggressive it is. That's so fire. What the heck?
Dude, doesn't it kind of look? I said this on my video, and I feel like I'm gonna get roasted. Doesn't it kind of look like an old school supercar?
Yeah, of course.
Right?
Yeah. That is so fire. What, that one? You
Yeah, it
looked
is a
it
V12. I was gonna say.
up? That's so fire, bro.
I actually think it's chalk, the same color as that 911. If it's not, it looks really.
That looks
so
like
much
cement.
better. Well, yeah, it kind of looks like. It's supposed to look like chocolate.
Cement. It's a cement paste. That's nice though. I don't know about them wheels though.
Oh, they got the irons. I found the good cars.
What? Ooh.
R8s.
What is it, twin? Yeah.
That's so fire.
That one got it too?
You got options. You got it in red too. Red, black. Got the Lambo. What is our Ferrari? He's actually really nice. Got another one right here. What is going on here, bro? That is insane.
This is so much walking. Right, man? Where, man? Oh, yeah, he's behind me. Yeah, somewhere. Look, bro. All you gotta do is punch him in the face and drive it off with it. Just take it. Listen, guys.
I would take a Super.
There's mass cars, bro. And I'm hungry. Yo, y'all not hungry, bro? Or
I'm starving.
I'm starving, thirsty, everything, bro. Probably go find some food soon, bro, because it's about that time, man. About that time.
We got a McLaren right here too. We got all the supercars, bro. We got it all here, bro.
Sick car, bro. What is that, a Ferrari? I was gonna say, you're probably closer to Mpact, right? Aren't you?
Good?
Yeah, we're close. Only an
far
hour
is
and a half.
Hour and a half?
Oh, fine. Finally get to see the person, bro.
Yeah, we just ripped
I mean, close to
Yeah,
it's
crazy.
2.5 hours, so.
It's so
And I
hot
heard
here.
some people are talking
38 trap, I think. 138 trap.
I respect it. Great show.
It was fast.
That's why I was like an all black. I mean, it's the best spec, you know?
All black because it sounds bad.
I like the real find the first time seeing it.
Yo.
That's what it's,
He got the 360 cam, bro. He got the 360 cam going crazy.
Say he wants something. I got you.
Bo, we need to find some food. I'm about to pass out. No, but about to. Fakely. So guys, that's gonna be the end of the video, man. We're gonna pretty much gonna walk around the rest of the show. I pretty much showed you guys everything I saw. So we're gonna go find some food now and just pretty much enjoy the day. So hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. Go check out my boy Eamon as well. He don't got a channel, but he's cool too. Peace.